Hey guys, welcome for another Sunday beach update. And today I want to talk about something I talked about some time ago, I think a couple months ago or three. The title of my video back then was "What if the hash war never happened?" And the reason I want to bring this up again is because I think now looking back, I was calling for 3,000 from way back when we were stuck at 6,000. I was always saying it's very likely we'll break down to 3,000, which was for the total market cap was around 200 billion. So it was expected that we would break at least to the 100 billion, for the total market cap. Now looking back and seeing how long it took for that level to break, 6,000 for Bitcoin, 200 billion for the total market cap for crypto. Looking back at these events, I think that if the hash war never happened, maybe that level would have held as the bottom for crypto. Of course, if the hash war never happened, probably some other events would have happened because the charts were pointing to 3,000. So it's always, you usually see these things in the charts first and then the event happen. Some event that, maybe no one expects or something happens that makes, the price crash. So if it wasn't the hash war, it probably would have been something else. But my point is, if it wasn't because of these events, probably 6K would have been the level that Bitcoin would hold based only on demand and supply. I think based only on demand and supply, 6,000 was a fair level. Of course, in a bear market, especially in bubbles, nothing goes to fair value. Things tend to go really undervalued. So that's why, it's only logic that it's not gonna stay at fair value. It usually goes to undervalued. So I think we went to undervalued levels, and if what I'm saying here is correct, and 6,000 was the level of fair value based only on demand and supply. Now that the hash war is in the past and it's been more than 3 months, or it's I think almost 4 months since these events, I think it shouldn't be long, and it shouldn't be long until we are back at those levels consolidating again, because the price will eventually stabilize and balance out and find a level where demand and supply meets, and that's the level of consolidation usually. So it shouldn't be too long until we are back at those levels. It was 6K for BTC and 200 billion for the total market cap, more or less. So I could be wrong, of course, but looking back, it seems to me that would have been the case, because the breakdown from 6K to 3K was caused the day of the hash war. I mean, it was all these big miners that they needed to sell their big holdings to finance this war, and that's what caused the breakdown. And then, of course, people entered panic mode, and then all the rest was just an overreaction of the market. And that's why I think we're going back to those levels to consolidate, if not start uptrending from there. So that was a quick update. I wanted to bring this up again because I have a lot of new people in this channel. Probably they missed this video. So yeah, watch it if you're interested. And I'll leave it here. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.